Hello students, today we are going to solve the questions of rational number exercise 1.1 first question. In question first, he says using appropriate property find the solution of this equation. Look at the equation. Here it is just like commutative a into b, a into b, a into b or b into a. So this is commutative property. Now we have to solve this. Look at here. Here is 2 by 5, 2 by 5, 2 by 5. In this there is no 2 by 5. So we are going to take this and this. 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7 plus 1 by 14 into 2 by 5. Now 1 by 6 into 3 by 2. Look at here. We are going to take 2 by 5 common. 2 by 5 common. Here left 3 by 7 go here plus 1 by 14. And there is minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2. No, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Here 2 by 5 and the LCM is 14. 7 2s are 14. 3 into 2, 6 minus 6 plus 1. Here left 1 by 4. No, 2 by 5 minus 5 by 14 minus 1 by 4. 5 into 5, 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14. There is left minus 1 by 7 minus 1 by 4. Again we are going to take LCM of this. 7 into 4, 28, 28. 7 4 are 28, minus 4, minus 7. This becomes minus 4 and minus 7, minus 11 by 28. This is the solution of this equation. Understood? Now we are going to take second question. Question number second. Question number second says of NCERT book. Write the additive inverse of each of the following. क्या करना हमें? Additive inverse लिखने हैं. Additive inverse. In second class, I have already told you what are additive inverse. Additive inverse are the negative of the positive numbers. So here first number is given 2 by 8. We have to write additive inverse. Additive inverse of 2 by 8 is what? Apply negative sign against the number. The additive inverse is minus 2 by 8. One more example I am going to take. minus 5 by 9. तो इसका एडिटिव इनवर्स क्या होगा? नेगेटिव साइन है तो ये पॉजिटिव में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. 5 by 9. ओनली साइन शुड बी चेंज. नो क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड. Question number third, verify that minus x is equal to x for x is equal to 11 by 15. You have to verify that minus into minus x is equal to x. Remember the multiplicative property, inverse, multiplicative inverse identity. What does multiplicative identity says? That the The reciprocal of this is 1. So here x is given 11 by 5 and additive inverse is minus x, हो जाएगा minus 11 by 15. तो एडिटिव इनवर्स क्या कहता है कि उनका रिजल्ट क्या होना चाहिए, 0 होना चाहिए. Said that x minus x is equal to 0. तो x की वैल्यू क्या है, 11 by 15 प्लस माइनस 11 by 15, 11 by 15 minus 11 by 15, that is 0. So here in question minus into minus x. So here x is this and minus x is minus 11 by 15. Simply x is 11 by 15. We have to put negative sign. We put here negative sign. Here we have to prove that minus into minus x is always equal to x. X means that value. So minus, what is minus x? We are taking left hand side, minus into minus x. Minus minus and minus x is minus 11 by 15. Here minus into minus, positive 11 by 15. That is equal to our x value. Hence minus into minus x is always equals to x. Thanks for watching this.